Hi, I'm Bradley Beard. I'm 6'2" and I'm based in Salt Lake City, Utah. This is a freelance submit. Hope you enjoy. There's so much water.
How deep do you think it is?
I can't tell, but maybe we should go back to the house, grab a raft. What do you think? Should we grab a raft?
We don't have time for that. It's obviously rising fast. We need to get the kids.
I get it, but we can't drive to this.
Then we walk. How far to the beach?
Not far, but we just need to get there. How much further?
About 2 blocks.
Just up here.
You sure?
Yeah. I mean, the beach was here. I never could imagine a storm surge this deep. It's deep.
I can't believe they keep saying this isn't the worst of it. I hope the kids found a safe place. Look!
Aiden!